All right, my name is Amanda Kieber, and I'm here at the LR Brands booth on the kitchen and bath side of the KBIS 2023. So what I'm standing in front of right now is an absolutely beautiful, modern drain solution for the everyday bathroom. This is our WallDrain. It's part of our QuickDrain shower system. As you can see here, this is a seamless slope of water into the wall. It's hard to even see where the drain is at all because it's built up into the tiling in the wall. So even though you don't see a drain, it is there. And what you see in the very bottom of your wall is going to be a tiled-in cover that you can remove with just a magnetic key for easy access to clean the drain. So this is a really sophisticated, modern look that elevates any shower. And your installer is going to love it because it's part of our QuickDrain shower system, which makes it incredibly easy to install, very flexible to fit with the existing conditions in your bathroom if you're working through a remodel, and certainly an elegant touch for any new build as well. So again, this is the WallDrain from QuickDrain, which is part of LR Brands from Oatey Co.